Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your ShareX recordings location and how to choose where your screenshots, recordings, or uploads are saved or sent. Let's get started. After you take a screenshot, screen recording, or upload something using ShareX, you can actually decide where those files are uploaded or stored. And here's how. First, you want to open your ShareX and go to the Destinations tab. This one. You want to click this. This is where you can manage where your files, like screenshots or recordings, go after you create them. And to actually manage them, you want to click on Destination Settings, this one. Once you click this, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different services under various categories like image uploaders, file uploaders, social platforms. What you want to do is simply select the service you want to use. For example, Photo Bucket or Flickr, this one. You can choose to upload to Google Drive, Dropbox, or other supported services. And once you've picked your service, just look at the top right and click Connect. That's the one. Then just follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. After connecting, ShareX will automatically save or upload your recordings to that chosen destination, making it super easy to find your files the next time. And basically, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!